How to make Snapchat music longer. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, tap on the capture button to take a snap. You can edit the snap as you like by adding text, sticker, etc. from the edit options present on the right side. Tap on the music icon as shown. Here, you can add music to your snap. You can search for artists and sounds or choose from the suggested playlists and songs. For example, choose a playlist as shown, then tap on the song that you like from this playlist. Now edit the length of the song. You can make the length of the song as long as you want. You can also choose how the name and lyrics of the song will be displayed on your snap. After that, tap on the tick icon as shown. You can now share this snap with your friends by tapping on the Send To button below and then selecting your friends. Following these steps, you can easily make Snapchat music longer.